Now moving to the question number 4 of this exercise, the question is expand each of the following using suitable identities. Okay, the question is minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z the whole square. Okay, now we have the formula a plus b plus c to the power 2 is equal to a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, where a is this, b is this, and c is this. It is a, it is b, it is c. Now put it in formula. Okay. Now a square, that is minus 2x ka square, b square plus 3y square, c square 2z square. Okay, plus 2ab, 2 into a is minus 2x, into b is 3y, plus 2bc, 2 into b into c, 2 into b is 3y, and c into 2z, plus 2ca, plus 2 into c into a. 2 into c is 2z, into a is minus of 2x. Now what we will do? We will expand this. The square of 2 will become 4x, that means x square, plus the square of 3 will be 9, the y to the power 2, plus 2 to the, that means the square of 2 is 4, and z to the power 2, that means z square, 2 to the 4, 4 3 ja 12, minus plus minus of 12 xy, 2 3 are 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 yz and positive of 12 yz. The third one is, that means the last term will be 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 xz. Okay, and it is minus plus minus, so it will be the answer. Okay, now second one, the second question is this. I am just doing the third part and the last part. This question has 6 parts. I am doing the third and the sixth. The rest you have to do yourself. Okay. Now this is the question. The last part I am doing. It is 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 square, whole square. Okay. Now it is of no use. Now the question is this. Now again, because of this question, I am just doing the third and the sixth part. You have to do the rest part. You have to do yourself. That means the first, the second, the fourth, the fifth. You have to do yourself, including these as well. Okay. Now here you can see 1 by 4a plus 1 by 2b plus 1 to the power whole to the power 2. Now again, by using the same identity, we know that a plus b plus c square is equal to, here it is a, it is b, it is c, equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus 2 into bc plus 2 into ca. Okay, now place the values. A, it is a, it is b, it is c, it is a, it is b, it is c. Now we will place the values. A, that means 1 by 4a to the power 2 plus b square, that means negative of half b, minus 1 by 2b to the power 2 plus c square, that means the square of 1, plus 2 into ab, 2 into a and b, 2 into 1 by 4a into negative half b, plus 2 into bc, it is bc, 2 into negative half of b into 1, plus at last 2 into c into a. 2c is 1, a is 1 by 4 of a. Okay, now expand all. Square of 1 1, square of 4 16, square of a square. Okay, now second one, square of 1 will be 1, negative of 1 you can say, -1 into -1, 1. Okay. The square of 2 will be 4. The square of b square. Okay. Plus the square of 1 will be 1. Now moving to this part. 2 can be cancelled by this 2. 1 1 ja 1, negative and positive, it will become negative. Negative of 1 upon 4, only 4 is left, a into b, ab. Okay, now this term, 2 can be cancelled out with this 2. Negative of 1, 1, positive, negative of b, only b is left here. Okay, now the last one, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, that is 1a upon 2. So this is the answer. Or you can erase this one. You can write ab upon 4, a upon 2. This is also correct. A square upon 16, b square upon 4. This will be also correct. Okay, like this you can write as well. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now moving to the question number 5 of this exercise. The question is a little bit different. Factorize this. I am doing the second part because it is a little bit difficult and you have to do the first part yourself. Okay. Now the question is 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Okay. Now we have to factorize this. That means ये किसको multiply करके आया है वो हमने निकालना है. As we were doing earlier as well. तो हमने बताना है कि ये किसको multiply करके आया है. Now you can see it is making a square, it is also making a square, it is also making a square. ये किसी का square है, ये भी किसी का square है, it is also a square of some number. Okay? It is making 2 into AB, it is making 2 into BC, it is making 2 into CA. Okay? So what we will use? We will use identity. So first what we will do? We will convert this. So first term, leave the first term. Now move on to the second term. The second is making y square. Okay. Now here leave the first term and the third term because we are not understanding whose square 8 is and whose square 2 is. So this will tell ki whose square 2 is and whose square 8 is. Okay. We are knowing it is a square of z and some coefficient. It is a square of x and some coefficient. इतना हमें पता चल रहा है. So leave this. This will tell कि किसका स्क्वायर है ये दोनों, किसके स्क्वायर है. Okay. Now it will make 2 into AB. ये 2AB बनाएगा. B हमारे पास है. We are having B, that is y. So in place of B put y. Okay. Now अब इन दोनों को कंपेयर करो. Y can be cancelled out by this y. 2 can be cancelled out by this 2. So what is left? Root 2x. So we have A now. अब हमको A मिल गया है, वो क्या है? Root 2x. So in place of A you will write root 2x and the square of 2x. And we know that root 2 into root 2 equals to 2. Okay. And if we put variable in it, so it will become 2x square. Okay. So either you can do directly or अगर समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो you will find from here. And the sign is saying कि A और B में से कोई माइनस में है. ओके तो हम A में लगा देते हैं. लेट्स सपोज एक एग्जांपल लेके. नाउ वी विल फाइंड द C. अब हम C निकालेंगे. वी हैव A, वी हैव B, वी हैव वी डोंट हैव C. So we will find C from here. Okay, because it is 2BC. Okay, we have B, we have 2. तो इसको ब्रेक कर लेते हैं. तो it will become 2 into 2 root 2. 2 कॉमन निकाल दिया तो 2 2 जा 4, 2 2 जा 4, 2 कॉमन निकल गया. y and z. y तो b था ही हमारे पास पहले से. तो y can be cancelled out with this y, 2 cancel 2 and this is our c. ये हमारा क्या है? c. Okay, so we have c now. So in place of c you will write 2 root 2 to the power 2. Now we have a, we have b, we have c. So it is making a square of a plus b plus c to the power 2. Now we will expand on. Okay, now we have all three terms. We have a, we have b and we have c. Now compare करके निकाल सकते हैं, or you can do directly as well, because 8 is the square of 2 root 2. That means 2 into root 2 into 2 into root 2. 2 to the 4. Root 2 will become 2. So 4 to the 8. Or you can do directly as well. Now, what it is making? Plus 2 into a, that is negative of 2x, into b, that is y. Okay. Now what it is making? 2 into bc, b into c is 2 root 2 z. Last 2 into ca, c is 2 root 2, a is c is z into a is negative of root 2x. Okay, now it is making a square, b square, c square, 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. So using identity, which identity? A plus b plus c to the power 2 is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This part is this. So this is the product of square of a plus b plus c का whole square. So we can write this in the form of this. So it will form minus root 2x plus y plus z, 2 root 2z to the power 2. Because we have to write in its factors form, so in place of 2 we will write it in 2 times. So this is the answer. Plus 2 root 2z minus 2 root 2, root 2x plus y plus 2 root 2z. Okay, so we have got this by the product of these two. Okay, so these are the factor of this polynomial. Okay, now moving to the sixth question of this exercise, that is evaluate by using suitable identities. 99 to the power 3 we can do with the help of multiplication as well, but they are saying कि we have to use the suitable identity. So first, ऐसा नहीं कि हम इसे डायरेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, but for making our calculation easy we will use identity here. Okay, so now first we will convert this in the form of a plus b or a minus b to the power 3. या तो हम a plus b की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करें या a minus b की फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करें. Okay, now first if we are making in the a plus b form, so it will become 90 plus 9 to the power 3. Okay, or if we convert in the form of a minus b, so it will become 100 minus 1 to the power 3. Okay, 90 का क्यूब करना, it is a difficult task. The cube of 9 is a difficult task. So it's better to use 1000 क्योंकि 0 वाली टर्म है, we will face no difficulty using this one. So neglect this, we will use this. So first step is how to break the number in a plus b or a minus b form. Okay, and ऐसा कन्वर्ट करना है जिससे हमारी कैलकुलेशन इजी रहे. 90 plus 9 भी कर सकते थे, but it is a difficult task to convert to find a cube of 90 or to find a cube of 9, and in that the the possibility of mistake will be higher. Okay, so we will use this because 0 0 वाली टर्म है and 1 है, 1 का क्यूब हम इजीली से कर सकते हैं. So we will use this. So at last what we will do, using identity a minus b to the power 3 is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Okay, we will use this identity. In place of a we will put 100 because it is a, it is b. I am doing the first part, the second and third part you have to do yourself. Okay, now the cube of a, it is a, it is b. So first we will expand a, that is cube of 100 minus, sorry, it is minus here, minus, minus and minus. Earlier the formula was of plus, so if minus here you will place minus in all. Okay, the cube of 1 minus 3 into a stands for 100 into b stands for 1. A minus b, that is 100 minus 1. Okay, now the cube of 100, it will become 1 cube 100 into 100 into 100. Very easy it is. 1 1 ja 1 1 ja 1, 2 0 2 0 2 0, that means 6 zeros. Okay, now minus of 1, 300 ja 300 into 1 minus 300 into 100 minus 1. Okay, now use distributive property. First multiply this and then multiply this. Okay, now minus 300 into 100 minus 1 into minus 300 into 3 1 ja 3, 2 0 2 0, it will become 4 0. 300 into 1 plus 300. Okay, and this minus will become plus. Okay, now at first add 1 2 0 2 0, it will be 3 0 0 minus 3 1 2 3 and 1. Now we can subtract. This is the, now we have to subtract this by this. It is very easy to subtract. 3 4 5 6, 1 1 2 3 and 1 3 is here and 3 is here. 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 0 9, 2 minus 0 2, 0 minus 0 0, 100 minus 3 97. So this is the answer, 97029. This is the answer. Okay, first part I have done, and you have to do this and the next two on yourself. Okay.